Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to tell you about my favorite setup while I'm traveling. Okay, so first of all, a great advice to you all. If you are a vlogger or if you love to make content around traveling, then the only camera I can recommend you is an action cam. Action cam for so many reasons, because weather is not in our control while we are moving. There are so many unseen circumstances that we can encounter. So to be well prepared, I recommend to always carry an action cam. But this is DJI Action 5 Pro. Okay, so it really made my travel vlogging very simple. First of all, just look at the size. It is too compact. Okay, so I have attached it with a Ulanzi tripod, and it has its own advantage. Like I can move it 360 degree. I can even extend it, like I can get a view while vlogging. I can use it as a tripod, I can use it as a base and keep it somewhere. But apart from all that, many of you might be knowing, in a video, audio is equally important. First of all, the internal mics that come with DJI Action 5 Pro are equally good, and I should not say at par, but even better than the competitors. But the advantage with the DJI devices is that you can just put this cage. This is protective cage and it comes with the camera. Okay, so you don't have to pay anything extra. But I have a hack for this. Okay, like see, now I have attached this camera with this cage with this tripod. Okay, but now comes the hack. I'll use DJI Mic Mini, and the plus point in using DJI Mic Mini, Mic 2 or Mic 1 is that you can just pair it without any external device, or you don't need anything external. Okay, you can just simply pair it with your DJI Action Cam and you can use it. So here's the catch. I'm using this DJI mic with DJI Action 5 Pro, and I'll be using it as a shotgun mic. You know how? This surface here is magnetic and it attaches to the mic. Since we get a pair of DJI mic Mic Mini, okay, now I can put two mic here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here I have two DJI Mic Mini. This is my setup and this is perfect for vlogging. I can vlog with it. I'm using an external microphone. I'm using it as a shotgun. Plus, if you want to have a cinematic shoot, if you are looking to tell something, shoot something and be away from camera, then you can use it as a collar mic, because it works like that. It is a wireless microphone and you can put it anywhere and you can shoot. So a shotgun mic that can be a wireless mic is a deal to catch, I think. And this is my perfect vlogging setup. I think nothing is better than that. Also, while you are shooting something from behind and you want to do commentary on something that is happening in front of the camera, you can just point out your camera and you can just flip the mic backwards so that it catches your voice, not something else. Or you can directly put it in your collar or anything, tuck in your shirt, anything like that. But I think this is my personal hack after vlogging so much. And another advice that I would like to give you is, do not carry heavy equipment while you travel, because it really becomes a task to just unpack all these stuff and then take the shot that you want to, and sometimes the moment that you are trying to capture is no more there because it took so much time. So you should have a handy camera. Like you can use it like this or you can use it like that. Okay, you can vlog with it, you can use it on a tripod, you can use it like a wireless microphone, you can detach these mics. It won't make any difference if you are shooting indoor or you are very close to the camera, or the situation is not very windy, the environment is good, then you can shoot it like that also. So it has multi-purpose. So here I am with my mini setup, and it's really raining hard here, so I think it's a perfect time to demonstrate how much useful this setup is. Okay, so right now I have mounted this mic with my camera, but you can see how the footage is obviously very good, but the major difference that it makes is in audio quality. Okay, what I can do now is I can put this mic here or even hold it here if the camera is far away from me. If I want to take a cinematic shot, like if I want to keep my camera somewhere, let me find a place. Okay, so right now you can see the mic is with me, and if I want to go away from camera and shoot it like this, then you won't hear any disturbance. And it was not possible if I was just using the action cam. But since I'm using this wireless microphone, it is a perfect combo with this camera. So I think this is very much helpful while you are traveling. You can see the footage is obviously very good since it's coming from DJI Action 5 Pro. I think these are some brownie points when you are opting for a DJI ecosystem, because the mics do get paired with it without any external support. And also, like, DJI has improved a lot in the recent times. The camera quality is insane. The low light quality is insane. The mics are fabulous. Like you may see so much professional content going around. You'll spot them using a DJI mic or a DJI device with them. Also, like if you have this mic, if you have this action camera but if you want a vlogging camera, somewhat more professional like a Pocket 3, so you can also pair this mic with the Pocket 3 effortlessly without an external device. Like, so I think these all brownie points make it a very great choice to be in the right ecosystem. Like GoPro, the one who started this action cam thing, like they were the king, but they don't have any ecosystem like that of DJI. Also, one advantage that I feel while shooting in a DJI or an Insta360 camera is their in-app support. You can do the AI edit, you can seamlessly transfer your data to your phone, to your other devices, which is not the same in the case of GoPro or other devices. So yeah, that's it. By the way, this cage, it is for the vertical mounting. Like if you want to mount your camera vertically, this cage is to make your work easy. But I found something different with it and I think it works perfectly, so you can use it like that. And if you like the idea and if you're going to try this, then give this video a like and tell me what other video do you want. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.